In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unusual activity detected error on ElevenLabs permanently. This can be a frustrating issue to encounter, and I'm here to guide you through the best way to resolve it so you can continue using ElevenLabs seamlessly. Now, the most reliable and permanent solution to this problem is to purchase a paid subscription from ElevenLabs. While it might seem like an upfront cost, investing in a paid plan ensures that your account is no longer flagged for unusual activity. When your account status is upgraded, ElevenLabs recognizes it as verified, and this keeps unnecessary errors at bay. It's important to understand that ElevenLabs has developed this error detection to maintain security and prevent misuse. So when you subscribe, you're showing them you're a legitimate user, effectively bypassing this issue altogether. However, I understand if you're looking for alternatives before fully committing to a subscription. In that case, one option is to try using a different IP address. Sometimes the error is triggered by an IP address flagged as suspicious by ElevenLabs, which can happen if you're using shared or public Wi-Fi networks. Switching to a private network or even using a virtual private network, commonly known as a VPN, can sometimes help. Make sure your VPN provider is reputable to remain secure online. Another alternative you could consider is adding two-factor authentication to your account. This adds an extra layer of security and might help reduce the chances of encountering the unusual activity detected error. When you enable two-factor authentication, you will be required to verify your identity each time you log in, typically through a code sent to your phone or email. This step not only increases your account security, but also signals to ElevenLabs that you're taking proactive measures to ensure the safety of your account. It's important to bear in mind that while using a different IP address or enabling two-factor authentication might help, they are not foolproof solutions and the error may still persist. These methods aren't as reliable as opting for a paid subscription. So if you're constantly running into this roadblock, a subscription might be the best long-term solution. To summarize, the ultimate fix for the unusual activity detected error on ElevenLabs is investing in a paid subscription. Not only does this offer a permanent solution, but it also enhances your user experience with additional features offered in those plans. If you're not ready to take this step just yet, experimenting with IP addresses and enabling two-factor authentication can be viable interim solutions despite their limitations. Thank you for sticking with me through this explanation. I hope you find this guide helpful in resolving the issue and getting back to using ElevenLabs without hassle. If you still have questions or run into other issues, feel free to reach out and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.